Hey guys, it's Danny and I'm here with I don't know what it's called, but it's snazzy anyway. I'm just going to call it, what squishies do I have? And I'm going to be showing you. I'm not going to be showing you the new ones that I've got, just because those are going to be in my birthday haul. But yeah, if you did not know, my birthday was on the 17th of March. I'm 11! Yeah. So I think I'm going to start off with the first squishy that I got. I have actually recorded this. I haven't recorded opening these packages only because I just couldn't wait. I just had to rip them open. And some of these I got for Christmas. So, yeah. Okay, so the first one I got, look how wrecked it is though, guys. It's this like bagel, it had like sprinkles on it and stuff. That went. I'm gonna, gonna have to do this quite quickly because my camera doesn't have much battery. Yeah, snazzy. Not snazzy. And if you don't like crinkling noises, I'm not going to be opening everyone because some are just too snazzy to be opened. Okay, so the first one I'm going to start off with, well, I've already started off with this one, So, I've got this peach. Oh, took it out of the packaging. Naughty. Stop it. Stop. I've got my wrecked peach. Yeah, this is, I don't know if you can hear that, guys, but that's an airplane. Like, why? Trying to make a video here. Thank you. But yeah, it's just a normal peach. It's not like a real one or anything, or an eye bloom one. Fun fact for you all. Fun fact. To know if it is the eye bloom one or not, the eye bloom one only has one leaf, and this says two. So yeah, moving on, let's go to smallest to biggest. I have got these three little snazzy turtles. Super slow item. I've got my milk bottle. Squashy, squish. My milk bottle squashy. And I've got this too. Super slow wobbling, girl. And then I've got this mango, this hard mango. Yeah, it is really hard, but it's actually, like, I don't know if you can see that, but here. Now it's good. It's actually really relaxing to squish and stuff. So, hard as a rock. So yeah. Next one I'm going to do is this one. And yeah. Snazzy. And then I'm going to do this one. This one's a little bit more like, it has a bit of more, that's the wrong end. It has more of like a scent to it, and it's more like, feels more nicer to squish. That's good. We have these toofus. And this one's way more squishier than this one. I mean, like, slow rising wise, it's squishy and soft. Look, okay, you ready? You see what I mean? That's still rising there. Boom. Science. This one's my favourite out of all of them. Like, really. I'm weird. Bear with me, guys. Okay. This one haven't done. My panda bun. That rhymes. It's got a little bit of, I don't know what that is, guys. Honestly. Is it like food or something? I haven't been eating with my panda bun lately. No, I have never eaten with my panda bun, and I will never. So this is my Relakuma. Yes, you heard me right. Relakuma. Is it Relakuma or Relakuma? God knows. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, that's okay, moving on to my homemade squishies. Yes, I actually did homemade them. Homemade them. Yeah. No, I actually made them at home. So they're called homemade. So the first one is this, like, I don't know, like cake roll, I guess. I don't know. I have a dice here, so it actually does have all the molds on it. So it's not slow rising, it's fast rising, but it's still really like nice to squish. I'm not done with this, so yeah, it's meant to be a bunny. I gave my friend the big version of it. For her birthday. And I have this little one. It's made out of a makeup brush. It's like a little shoe. I don't know if anybody sees that as I do, but it was like a little shoe. It's kind of slow rising a little bit. And then these ones were like quite weird to make. The first one is this one. They're random shapes, and I just wanted to test out making squishies. That bit's so hard. Ow. Ouch. But yeah, it's quite slow rising. And then this one is the biggest. I really want it to get focused, like on the purple, because it is, if you look at it from an angle, because this is the, like a technology and stuff, if you look at it from an angle. Why is there hair on it? It actually is slow rising. This one isn't as much, but it's like, it's still a squishy. Have I done all of them? No, I haven't. This is my homemade cake roll, I guess. Oh god, the tag's folded. And then it's in like resealable packaging. This is actually a hair roller. But yeah. I think that's it. Have I done all of them? I believe I have. So yeah guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!